Ben. See you in class.
See ya.
Hey Ben, there's a great movie coming out this weekend.
Oh, sweet. Yeah, for sure.
Yo, Ben.
What's up, Kirk?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Thug life. Look at that Ben Badonka, dog. Give me some of that.
What's up, brah?
What's up? Oh, hey. Hey, so I have to use the big knife because I got a class.
You know, you can't use technology for everything. I mean, if you ask me, what our society needs is just to unplug. I mean, just look around at our world. I mean, you've got...
Hey, what's wrong? I haven't seen you in a while.